Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your Covo vocal exercise of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I am the founder of Covo, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. July is Agility Month at Covo, and this week we are tackling a big and common hurdle in agility training: how to articulate fast notes cleanly without smudging them together or blowing them apart. When singers are first learning to navigate fast note changes, these two common habits tend to show up. Some singers smear the notes together, the pitches blur one into another with no real separation or clarity. Sometimes I call this smudging or glissing. Other singers go the opposite direction. They use little bursts of air between each note, sometimes big bursts of air. Like aggressive laughing or some H-driven machine gun. Most people tend to stray toward one side or the other. Do you know your tendency? Are you more of a smudger or an aspirator? Now, to help singers stay out of both traps, I often recommend starting with syllables added to their fast notes, a kind of training wheels system where an action of the articulators helps to manage the airflow and these fast note changes. For example, I'll often have singers use the syllables da and ba. Da ba da ba da ba da ba da. And just like learning to ride a bike, once the singer has achieved more balance, they can take off the training wheels and sing the passages without the help of the syllables. Da ba da ba da ba da ba da. And why does this approach often work? Well, the plosive consonants da and ba momentarily stop the air before releasing it, acting like a metering light at a toll plaza, helping each note come through cleanly in an orderly fashion, one at a time. Which brings us to our vocal exercise of the week: merry-go-round, arpeggios. In this exercise, whose melody is taken from a 19th century vocal exercise book by Pauline Viardot, we will be singing arpeggiated chords. But instead of the arpeggios going one way and then another, like most arpeggio exercises do, the notes in each arpeggiated chord here are out of order, moving down and back up in a way that reminds me of the horses on a merry-go-round. So listen first. Repeat. So we'll try the pattern first with the training wheels on, using a syllable on every note, moving slowly and taking a breath whenever you need to. We will do the repeat. It's kind of fun, right? Let's try that again. Let's speed up a little bit, still using a syllable for every note. Da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba da ba. weaning ourselves off the training wheels. Let's try it with the syllable every other note. That's the second line of lyrics. Be very careful that the notes now without syllables don't start to smear or get lost entirely. Make sure that you hear them clearly in your inner ear, which helps your voice to produce them. So this version goes like this. Little faster. I got lost there for a sec. Now we will go one step further and sing the pattern with the syllable every fourth note. Now you're going to start watching out for the smearing or the aspirating. Be especially careful of those sneaky little H's between the vowel only notes. Pure continuous flow of air, etc. Here we go. And now for the grand finale, the most challenging version is to sing the entire exercise on ah. If you would still like to keep your training wheels on, you can go back to the syllables. We are going to speed up and we're going to see if we can sing these notes cleanly, all on a single vowel. Ah. Here we go. Could you do it? Try it on your own. I'll play. One more time together. Here we go. Great job. So I invite you to play with this exercise in the coming week and experiment with using syllables as metering lights or training wheels. Pick your own metaphor when working on your fast passages. If you enjoyed this exercise, we've got more for you during July. All of the vocal exercises we sing during our general vocal workouts will focus on vocal agility skills. We host these general live vocal workouts twice a week on Zoom, and we would love to have you. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet on Zoom every Monday and Wednesday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time, and instructions on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you'd like the next vocal exercise of the week to show up in your email inbox, you can find out how in the description below. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise. Vocal exercise is the key to your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.